everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing 2 recipes for some easy summer side dishes that'll keep you cool because there's no cooking required. They're vegetable based, so pretty healthy, and they'll be really refreshing. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get cooking. First up, I'm making a cucumber and corn salad that I recently saw Kim from the WOD Squad make here on YouTube, and it looked so good. And I happen to have all the ingredients on hand. So I diced up 1 English cucumber, that's a seedless cucumber. The skin's very thin, they're easy to work with and very yummy. And then I diced up 3 different bell peppers, yellow, orange, and red. And I added those into a bowl. Next up, I added 2 bags of frozen sweet corn kernels that I had thawed slightly. I also added 1 bunch of green onions that I just chopped up finely. For a fresh, herby flavor, I added in half a bunch of cilantro. I also had some crumbled feta cheese on hand for this salad, but I didn't mix it in with all the vegetables because I didn't think all of my kids would like it. But I did sprinkle it onto my salad when it was all ready to go. Then I made the very simple vinaigrette dressing. It started with a 1/4 cup of olive oil and a 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar, some salt, pepper, and a little bit of garlic powder. And then I used my tiny whisk to whisk that all together. I drizzled the dressing all over the salad and then stirred it up until all the veggies were coated. And then I let this sit in the refrigerator to chill a little bit before serving. And like I said before, the people who wanted it got feta cheese sprinkled over top too. This is a great meal prep option. You could prepare this early in the week and then have this for lunches or as a side dish for dinner throughout your week. It lasts for several days and the flavor just keeps getting better. Next is a classic shredded carrot salad, and they used to have this on the menu at Chick-fil-A. Sadly, it is no longer there, but I love this so much. It's really fresh, and when you use fresh whole carrots, it has an incredible sweet flavor and a great crunch too. So I'm using my food processor because I have it, and it makes it so fast and easy to grate up an entire bunch of carrots that I already had washed and peeled, but you could use a box grater too. It would just take a little bit of time. You could also buy pre-grated carrots, but those are quite dry, and also I just don't like the shape and texture of them. I like sort of the more ribbon-like quality when you grate carrots by hand. So anyway, do what you will, but you need a whole bunch of grated carrots, and I put those into a large mixing bowl. And then I added a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, although typically I would use a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. I just didn't have it on hand. And then I used half a cup of mayonnaise, a tablespoon of sugar, and a little bit of salt and pepper. And then I sprinkled in raisins, and I love how they sort of plump up as they sit in this mixture. I stirred this all together and then realized I forgot to add the poppy seeds. I like those in here too for that color and a little bit of pop as you're eating. So I stirred all that together. Again, let it sit in the fridge for a little bit so all the flavors came together and it would chill. And then this was a great side dish that didn't involve cooking. Thank you so much for joining me here today in my kitchen, and I'll see you again soon.